Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on Uber app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber app and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about here Uber app, as you see. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.